So as with many problems, there's a easier way to do 90 and a harder way. I think the easier way is to go ahead and plug in values that you're given. And so you're given two rates. The first rate is 40 miles an hour and the second rate is 30. So I have 2D, I don't know my distance, all over D over 40. I'm plugging in that first rate, plus D over 30, which is that second rate. So I'm going to focus on this denominator, and I recognize that my common denominator is 120. So I'm just going to go ahead and recognize how I can convert that. And so an equivalent fraction is 3D over 120, and then plus, would need to multiply by 4 over 4 here, so that would give me plus 4D. So that's really 7D over 120. Now I can't forget about my numerator. So my numerator of this complex fraction is 2D. And so if you were to write this in a literal way, this is 2D divided by the fraction 7D over 120. Well, then I can multiply by the reciprocal. And so I see this monomial over a monomial. I can reduce that D over D to 1. And I end up with 240 over 7. And if you get an estimate there, it's going to be 2857 miles per hour. And so the question was basically asking, why is it not 35? So it's close, but that would be why it's not 35 miles per hour.